Hello superstars, my name is Shem Knight, aka Shem Knight, aka Night Mode, and welcome to TWT, Team Whatever It Takes. Today, over the next few minutes, I'm going to go over something very important, the 2020 vision. So I'm going to share with you what is it that the top earners in our industry, network marketing, do in terms of work ethic that the rest don't do. Hello superstars, my name is Shem Knight, aka Shem Knight, aka Night Mode, and welcome to TWT, Team Whatever It Takes. You ask us what do we do for a living? Well, we do whatever it takes. And today, over the next few minutes, I'm going to share with us one of the most powerful attributes that some of the key people in network marketing and the top earners in network marketing actually use to get to the top. We are talking about the 2020 vision. Incidentally, it is 2020. I believe that is not a coincidence, the 2020 vision. So I'm going to share with you what is it that the top earners in our industry, network marketing, do in terms of work ethic that the rest don't do. Remember, the Pareto principle suggests that 20% of the people in every industry make 80% of the money. 20% of the people in any industry make 80% of the money. And 80% of the people in the same industry make 20% of the money. So how can you get to the 20%? Well, the 20%ers do a few things differently than the 80%ers. So let's talk about it. What is it that the 2020 vision has to do with you? What can you do to win big? Because I believe you are in this YouTube video so that you can win big. You have subscribed to TWT so that you can win big. So how do you win big? We call it the 2020 vision. The 2020 vision. Ladies and gentlemen. So this is it. Whichever company you are, we are not biased. You can win big with this vision. So this is you. You just got started in your new network marketing business, or currently you are in your network marketing business, whichever the time period you have been with your company, but you want to win big with the 2020 vision. What do? You see, the 2020 vision suggests, and this is for anyone, whether you're using a binary structure, matrix structure, whichever kind of system you're using. But for you to win big, you have to put 20 people on your left side and 20 people on your right side. You have to be the personal sponsor of these individuals. So in total, you recruit 40 people. You see, ladies and gentlemen, I want to debunk this. You see, most people in our industry want to put in the least amount of effort and make the most amount of money. Well, it does not happen that way. This is not a lottery ticket mentality. This is not a lottery ticket business. It's called network marketing. Not net one day I'll get to eat marketing. Not net one day I'll think about it net marketing. Not net lottery ticket marketing. Network. So this is the work. If you do this correctly, it's done. You know, it's done. It's just done with it, because you're going to win big, you're going to get to the top, and you are going to be the kind of person who can win in any business. So you put 20 people on your left and 20 people on your right. 6 to 8 of those people on both sides are going to quit. 6 to 8 on both sides are going to quit. Why are they going to quit? because they will quit. Why? Because people quit everything. People quit marriages, people quit the army, people quit jobs, people quit school, they drop out, people quit relationships, people quit everything. So when people quit, encourage them to quit. Why? Because if you're going to win big in this business, fantastic. If you're going to quit and let go of your dreams, fantastic. We are in the business of working with the willing. We are not in the business of coercing people to achieve what they don't want. Remember, like I always say, we are in a business. We are not in an adult daycare center. We are not in an adult daycare unit. We are in a business, ladies and gentlemen. So 6 to 8 are going to quit on both sides. 6 to 8 on both sides. 6 to 8 people on both sides are going to incubate. They are going to incubate. And you might ask me, Shem, what are you talking about incubation? These are the might people, the might people, the people who might come for a Zoom meeting, they might come for a conference call, they might come for the event, they might. They are the maybe people. They are lukewarm. They may or may not actually build big. The incubation people. Then 1 to 2. 1 to 2 on both sides are going to build it big. Build it big. So you ask me, Shem, what are you talking about building it big? I mean, these people are going to be the superstars in your organization. They are going to be like you or better than you. Now, one thing you have to understand, you cannot attract who you are not. There are people who have this mentality that, you know what, I just have to put 2 people, one on the left, one on the right, and these people are going to make me money. It does not happen that way. You do not attract what you want, you attract who you are. So if you're an amateur, you attract amateurs. If you're a poser, you attract posers. You cannot attract a professional if you're an amateur or if you are a poser. That is why, ladies and gentlemen, we need to work on ourselves. Work on ourselves. Haven't you heard from the great Jim Rohn that if you divide all the money in the world into equal amounts to every person in the world, and everyone has equal amounts, after a few months, that money in exact proportion will go back to the pockets it came from. Why? Because the people who are wealthy, the people who are rich during that time, they are not just millionaires by name, but they have learned how to create $1 million. That is what they have done. So 1 to 2 on both sides are going to build it big. And ladies and gentlemen, if you want to win big, you can't just get the 1 and 2. You can't just get the 1 and 2 out of nowhere. You have to do the 20-20. You have to go for 40. You have to do 20-20. So that is how it happens. And actually, to achieve this, you have to place yourself in what we call a 90-day game plan, 90-day blitz, where you start today, you say that I'm going to work on the 2020 vision, and 90 days, you are not going to rest. You are not going to get distracted by anything. I understand that you have to go to church. I'm not saying that you don't go to church. But sometimes you have to tell the pastor that, you know what, I might not show up in church, but you're going to feel me. You're going to feel me where? You're going to feel me in the offering basket. You're going to feel me in the offering basket. So ladies and gentlemen, that's the 2020 vision. And if you apply this, you take action on it. Remember, the essence of knowledge, the essence of education, is not knowledge. The essence of education is action. So take action. Just having it in your mind will not cut it. Go and take action and you're gonna win big.